Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. Just wanted to give you some feedback here on what we've done so far this week and what we have to work on as we continue through the week. So if you go to the start here, remember task number 6, you read the syllabus and all of those what you need to know documents, and you left some comments or questions. I have responded to all of the comments and questions that were posted, so I encourage you to go back and look over those at some time this week to see what the answer was to your questions and your classmates' questions as well. Next, I also want to just remind you that this class is, you're starting to realize it's definitely designed around online participating, so interacting with each other quite a bit through those Google Docs and the activities, which I'll briefly mention in just a minute. But to help us all get to know each other a little bit better and just make that online participation, a little bit more comfortable. It'll take time, but to kind of start that process, you all made a slide to introduce yourself and asked one or two people some questions. So go back to the slide, and if you have not responded to someone's question yet, go ahead and do that. So we're actually having a discussion where we respond to each other on these slides. Okay. So the rest of the week we are working on some actual math content in Module 1. So I went to Course Modules and opened up Module 1. And if you haven't watched this example video, definitely do that. I go into a lot of detail about what I expect with the activities. But real quick here, if you open up the activity discussion starter, you will see that everyone is in charge of starting a discussion for a different activity. And we have quite a few people who have already started the discussion. Keep in mind it's the start of a discussion, so we want these to continue. It looks like we just have a couple more people working on the activities that need to be started today, so we're in a pretty good position. I can give you a little bit of feedback here, so now I'm going to open up the Module 1 activities discussions. And the 1-1 document is where we'll talk about all the activities from 1-1. So just a few things maybe to point out. Brianna did a nice job of explaining how she got her answer. That's what I'm looking for, right? Again, it's a discussion. We want to be helping each other to develop a better understanding of the content and a better just learning experience. So Matt also gave an explanation. You'll see that I left some questions there, so I'm waiting for other people to contribute to the discussion to answer those questions. And then Ariel and Andy, I think their work is due a little bit later. So there's the 1-1. And then I also have the activities from 1-2 open up. Sarah did a really nice job with her response to the first activity. Kudos to you for sure. And then some other people have have a really good start on these. Again, I've posted some responses. Anyone can reply. So in general, I don't just come out and tell you if the answer is right or not. Educational research shows that you're going to retain this information better and you're going to understand it better if you all work together to come to an understanding with it. So I'm definitely giving you the opportunity to think critically about this content before I just go ahead and say, yep, it's right, or nope, it's wrong, here's the answer. So if you have any questions, let me know. But these activities, you can see, are due Wednesday and Thursday night. The discussion should be ongoing. So just because someone posts the discussion starter doesn't mean it's done. It's it's in the name. It's just the starter. But hopefully those are wrapped up by the end of the day Thursday. And then you have your web work assignment due Sunday night. And you can get to that by clicking on web work. And the second link here will take you to our web work page, and you'll be able to access the homework from there. So great start to our first week. Keep the questions coming, and I will talk to you later. Bye.